Hi dear students, last class we solved exercise 2.2. In this class we are discussing similarity criteria. First one is angle criteria or AAA similarity criteria. The statement is, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in proportion and hence the two triangles are similar. Here if in two triangles are drawn, corresponding angles are equal. What is given here? Corresponding angles are equal. Here what is given? ABC and DEF are triangles. Angle B is equal to angle E. See, angle B is equal to angle E. Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle C is equal to angle F. What is going to prove here? AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, which is equal to AC by DF. Here we constructed cut DP is equal to AB, DQ is equal to AC and join PQ. Proof: in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB is equal to DQ because constructed we are. Now AC is equal to DQ by construction. Angle A is equal to angle D, it is given. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle P, then angle P is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F and angle F is equal to angle Q. Therefore, if corresponding angles are equal, then these two lines are what? Parallel. Therefore, PQ is parallel to EF. If these are parallel lines, then according to basic proportionality theorem, dP by DE is equal to dQ by QF. This much clear. Now, similarly we can write dP by DE is equal to dQ by DF by corollary of BPT. Similarly we can write dP by DE is equal to dQ by DF and also AB by DE is equal to AC by DF by construction and also AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Therefore, from the above, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DE. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, hence it is proved. Now, another theorem, side criteria. Statement is, if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. Here what is given? Here given thing is, in a triangle ABC and a triangle DEF, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD. This much is given. So, what is going to prove? Angle A is equal to angle D, means corresponding angles are equal here. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is going to prove. By construction here, cut DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC, join PQ, which is same to the previous theorem, and now proof. So, here AB by, see the figure, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, it is given. Now, we can write dP by DE is equal to dQ by DF, it is according to BPT, corollary. Corollary means sub theorem. So, therefore, if they are equal, then PQ is parallel to EF, it is according to converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now, if they are parallel, then their corresponding sides are equal. So, angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. Therefore, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DF, AAA criteria. For similar triangles, we can write dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF is equal to PQ by EF. Call this as equation number 1. But dP is equal to AB and dQ is equal to AC. By construction it is now dP by dE, we can write dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF is equal to BC by EF. Call this as equation number 2. By comparing equation 1 and 2, we will get BC, we will write BC is equal to PQ. In a triangle ABC and a triangle DPQ, AB is equal to AP, AC is equal to DQ, BC is equal to PQ. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. It is according to side by side postulate. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle P by CPCT, angle B is equal to angle E, then angle C is equal to angle F. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now, last one, SAS similarity criteria. Statement is SAS, side angle side. Here two sides are equal and one angle equal. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including, then angles are proportional, then two triangles are similar. So, here I have drawn the diagram. What is given in a triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF and angle A is equal to angle D. What is going to prove here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. By construction, cut DP is equal to, which is same to previous problems. Now, proof. In a triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB is equal to what? DP. Angle A is equal to what? Angle D. AC is equal to what? DQ. From the above, we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Call this as equation number 1. So, if they are congruent triangles, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So, AB by D is equal to AC by DF, it is given. Then also we can write by construction dP by DE is equal to dQ by dF. Therefore, PQ is parallel to EF. So, if they are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal, then they are similar triangles. Therefore, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Call this as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now, we will move to the exercise part. Now, exercise 2.3. So, exercise 2.3. In that first main, first problem, so state which pair of state which pairs of triangles are similar and also write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. Yes. So here the first problem is here ABC is triangle, and also another triangle PQR, (60°), 80°, then 40°, 60°, 80°, 40°. So here state which pair of triangles in the following figure are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you. For answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. First one, our solution is, it is first problem. These are similar triangles. These are similar triangles because here angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 60°. Then angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80°. Angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 40°. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is according to what? AAA criteria. Now, so similarly here second one problem is also there. Here also second one problem is also similar because their corresponding sides are in proportion. Second one answer is same. Therefore, triangle so here I will write detail. Second one answer we can write by seeing the figure. AB by QR is equal to BC by RP is equal to CA by PQ. The corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. It is according to yes similarity criteria. Similarly, third one answer is the given triangle are not similar because corresponding sides are not in proportion. So in that third one it is not similar. It is not similar. Reason, corresponding sides are not in proportion. Fourth one also same. Fifth one also same. Fourth one answer is also this one same. Fifth one answer is also same. Last sixth one, do it yourself. Now second question. Second question. Here figure is given. In the figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Triangle BOC is equal to 125 degree. Angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find DOC, DCO and OAB. I will draw the diagram. So it is 125 degree, it is 70 degree, it is named is C, it is D, it is A, it is B. Here find what is DOC. Here what are asked? Angle DOC is equal to question mark and angle DCO is equal to question mark, angle OAB is equal to question mark. For solving first one, here DOB is what? Here intersecting point is O. Here DOB is a straight line. So we can write therefore angle DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Automatically, so we will get the DOC value because COB value is 125 degrees there. So 180 minus 125 you will get the value of DOC degree. So we can calculate easily. DOC plus COB is 125. 125 is equal to 180 degree. Angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125. Therefore, angle DOC is equal to 55 degree. Similarly, here we want DCO. In a triangle DOC, angle DCO plus angle CDO plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree. angle DCO plus it is 70 degree, it is 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle DCO is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree minus this 70 plus 55, you will get 125 is equal to, again you will get 55 degree. Therefore it is given that from this above we will conclude triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Therefore angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Therefore angle OAB is equal to 55 degree. Now third problem. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O using similarity criteria for two triangles. Show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. See here, I will draw the diagram. See, third problem. Here I will draw the trapezium first. It is trapezium. Draw the diagonals. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. This intersecting point is O. These are vertical opposite angles, they are equal. Then there, because here AB is parallel to CD, so this angle is equal to this angle, and also this angle is equal to this angle. In a triangle DOC means this triangle and AOB means this triangle. In triangle DOC and triangle AOB, angle CDO is equal to angle ABO, angle DCO is equal to angle BAO, angle DOC is equal to angle BOA. So reason for this, they are alternate angles. Reason for this is vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle DOC is similar to triangle BOA. it is according to AAA criteria. From this, what we obtained from this, so they are similar triangles. Therefore, DO is equal to, for DO by BO, for similar triangles the corresponding sides are in proportion. DO by BO is equal to OC by OA. What is the reason? Corresponding sides are in proportion. Write this one. Corresponding sides are proportion. Therefore, we can write this one as, therefore, we can write by cross multiplication OA divided by OC is equal to OB by taking reciprocal of this. By taking the reciprocal of this, we can write OA by OC is equal to BO by OD. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Now, question number 4. Fourth question. Question number 4. I will draw the diagram. Here here it is 1.2, join this point to this point and join this one to here. Name these points are PQR. Say it is P, Q, R, it is S, it is T, so it is angle 1, then it is angle 2. So the question is, in the figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So, we can write see what is given here, it is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If angle 1 is equal to angle 2, then it is isosceles triangle. So we can write therefore PQ is equal to PR. Call this as equation number 1. So and also what is given? What is given? We have QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. So using equation 1, we can write, using equation number 1, we can write QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ. Call this as equation number 2. In a triangle PQS and a triangle TQR, QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. Therefore, angle Q is equal to angle Q. Hence, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. It is according to SAS criteria. SAS criteria. Now, problem number 5. Question number 5 is like this. S and TR point on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is congruent to triangle RTS. It is a very simple problem. Now, first I will draw the diagram. So, here problem number 5. Problem number 5 here. The diagram is P, Q and R. It is partition line S and T here. So, S and T are point on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. This angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal, it is given. So, very easy. In a triangle RPQ and a triangle RST, angle RTS is equal to angle QPS. It is given. Therefore, angle R is equal to angle R. Reason? Common angle. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. It is according to AA similarity criteria. If two angles are equal, then automatically according to the angle sum property of a triangle, third angle is also equal to the another one. So, therefore, it is known as AA similarity criteria. Now, question number 6. Sixth question. In the following figure, I will draw the diagram. Here triangle is given. then join this. So it is the given diagram. A, B, C, D, E. So here in the following figure, if AB is congruent to ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, they are congruent triangles. Okay. Show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So what is going to prove here? They are in proportion. Okay. I will write the given things first. So what is given? Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. What is the reason? By CPCT. Call this as equation number 1. And also by CPCT we can write AD is equal to AE. It is also by CPCT. Call this as equation number 2. In a triangle ADE and a triangle ABC, we can write AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. How you obtained this equation? By dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1, we obtained this one. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle A, it is common angle. Therefore, we can write according to SAS criteria, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. It is according to SAS criteria. Now, problem number 7. Seventh problem is in seventh problem diagram is given. I will draw the diagram. And also so here it is 90 degree, and it is also perpendicular line. Name the points A, B, C, D. This is point of intersection P. This is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. Name it as E. This much given in the diagram. So in the figure 2.38, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P, show that. Here sub questions 4 are there. I will solve first one. First one, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. This one we are going to prove here. How it is, let us see. Here in a triangle AEP means this triangle, in triangle AEP and CDP, this triangle plus this triangle, I will solve. In a triangle AEP and a triangle CDP, angle AEP is equal to angle CDP, they are equal because each 90 degree, okay, and also angle APE is equal to angle CPD. What is the reason? Yes, they are vertically opposite angles. By using A criteria we can write, therefore triangle AEP is congruent, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. It is according to what? AA criteria, angle similarity criteria. Similarly third, fourth, second, third, fourth are yours, which is similar to this one. Do it yourself. Now question number 8. Now 8th question. Question number 8. Here E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. First I will draw a parallelogram ABCD. So parallelogram ABCD. Here so I will draw the line here. Now produce this side. Here ABCD is what? A, B, C, T is parallelogram. These points are named E, F. E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and B intersects CD at F, show that triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. See, ABE is similar to CFB. Okay. Now, in a triangle, in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A is equal to angle C. Reason, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram, they are equal. So, and also angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. They are alternate angles. They are alternate angles. So, therefore, according to A criteria, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. It is according to A criteria. This is over now. Now, problem number 9. Problem number 9, and 9 is also similar, 10 is also similar. 9 and 10 are yours. Problem number 9 and 10, do it yourself. Remaining part we will discuss next class. Thank you, dear students.